Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off face filter in Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you can open your camera application, and after you have your camera application opened, you can click on this icon. I don't know what it is called, but just click on this icon. Okay, and here if we want to activate the face filter, we just need to click on face. And as you can see that the face filter is off, and if we want to activate it, we just need to click on this option. And now the filter this face filter has been activated, and then you can adjust the intensity like this. And if you want to select what kind of filter you would like to apply to your face, you just need to click on this auto option, and then you can select eyes filter, then a jawline filter, or the tone. Then this is for the smoothness. Then if you want to customize the intensity, you just need to go right or go left like this. Then after you activate the face filter, you can take a photo with this filter by clicking on this button. And if you want to turn it up, you just need to click on this option. Then now the face filter is off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on or turn off face filter in Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.